On this video, I am going to take you through one of the largest granulate urea fertilizer plants in Africa. Dangote Fertilizer plant is the largest in urea fertilizer plants in Africa. Stay back and watch. The $2.5 billion fertilizer plants occupy approximately 500 hectares of land. And play a major role in supporting Nigeria's agricultural sector by producing a high-quality fertilizer for local use and export. Commercial operation began in 2021, while the plant was officially commissioned on the 22nd March 2022 by the former Nigerian president, now late President Muhammad Buhari. During the commissioning, President Buhari described the project as the major milestone in Nigeria, driving towards food security and economic diversification, job creation and increased export earning. The fertilizer complex has an annual production capacity of 3 million metric tons of granulate urea, making it Africa's largest fertilizer plant and one of the largest single-train urea plants in the world.
Of using fertilizer in farming. Instead of you to have 2 tons per hectare in terms of yield.
Its production supplies farmers across Nigeria and is exported to markets in Africa, Europe and America and other regions, helping to reduce dependence on importation of fertilizers. Today, when you take a look at these trucks, they are all parked here and heading towards the plant. Some of these trucks have been here for over 2 weeks or more, and they are going to be here pending when they are through with the loading because the demand is higher, especially now it's the rainy season. In terms of employment, the company does not routinely publish an official headcount. However, Dangote Fertilizer in 2024 sustainability report indicates that the plant has a total workforce of approximately 1,263 employees, including permanent, expatriates and temporary staff in 2024, reflecting a continued expansion of its operation. Today, Dangote Fertilizer plant stands as a landmark in investment in Nigeria industries and agricultural development by ensuring a steady supply of quality fertilizer creation and employment opportunity, generating for both local and foreign exchange. If it is the first time of watching this channel, please tune to this channel and make sure you share this video and thumbs this video up, for we bring gigantic and giants project in the country called Nigeria. See you in our next video.